What's the meaning of apostolic? Apostolic. Apostolic.
Apostolic. Apostolic. The term apostolic refers to the teachings and practices of the apostles, who were the early followers of Jesus Christ. It is often used to describe the beliefs and practices of the early Christian church, which was founded on the teachings of the apostles. The apostolic tradition emphasizes the importance of passing down these teachings from generation to generation, and it places a strong emphasis on the authority of the Bible. Today, many Christian denominations still consider themselves to be part of the apostolic tradition, and they seek to uphold the same teachings and practices as the early church.